Hi, in this station we're going to be splinting the lower extremity. With the lower extremity we're going to have to splint with a femur fracture with traction. We use the traction splint, a hair traction device to pull traction. We're also going to have to apply an ankle hitch, and we also have to put some padding in the femoral artery area, so we don't put anything on us. Like any other station, the station's going to start with me and my partner arriving on scene safety PSI. As I walk in, I'll introduce myself. I'm Charles with the ambulance. I'm going to then direct my partner to go ahead and hold traction. As I look for pedal pulses in his hands, he squeeze my hand. I'm going to check for a pedal pulse. Can you move your toes? Can you feel me touch? At this time, I'm going to go ahead and measure this traction splint. The traction splint is measured on the good side, the good leg that is not injured. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure from the ischial tuberosity. Bring the splint all the way down. As the kickstand lines up with his heel of his foot, we then want to lock it into place, making sure that it's nice and locked. Bring it to the other side. Inserting the splint from the outside in a 45-degree angle. Putting some padding up to protect the carotid artery, or the femoral artery. Now once this is tight, you cannot untighten it, so please make sure that it's tight enough, secure. This time we're going to apply the ankle hitch to his leg. Put the kickstand up, undoing the ratchet, bring the ratchet over the top, hooking it to the eye hook underneath the ankle hitch, and then we're going to start tightening. We want to tighten till the leg comes to the same size. He has a return of the pulse, or he feels relief. How do you feel? All right, at this time we're going to go ahead and we'll release my partner from holding traction. I'm then going to apply all the straps from the top to the bottom. Finding his patella, making sure that I'm above his patella. So we've got two straps above the patella, two below, making sure we have a nice spot where the fracture site is. Two below the patella and above the ankle. We would then secure him to a backboard. We're also going to check for a pedal pulse, make sure it's good pedal pulses. Can you feel me touching? We would then secure him to the board and transport to the hospital.